Happy New Year! We're back in the shop. It's cold outside. You can see we've added some insulation to the shop to try to make the space reasonably warm during the winter months, and we try to get some laminating done. We've been gone since September, and we're just getting back into it. We're working on getting the top skins ready for final closeout of the strakes. We'll probably be doing a video on that here in a couple of weeks. In the meantime, we're going to show you a video that we took at Rough River in Kentucky in September of the Canard Fly In, and I'm not going to edit it too much, just so that really the point of taking all that video was to get as much pictures of inside of cozies as we could, and be able to post that and reference it for future, and see what other builders have been doing and how problems that they've solved, and just get that documented. So it'll be a little rough. At the end of this video or in another video, we'll go through the work we did in the fall as far as working on our electrical schematic and some software to give us our wiring list and bill of materials for our wiring, as well as we did our general arrangement of all the components in CAD so that we could start measuring in CAD just kind of what our wire runs needed to be, and also start laying out the components that need to go back on this limited space here, the inside of the firewall. So we'll do some videos on that. That's the game plan for the next couple videos, and that should take us through January into February. So as always, like and subscribe would be helpful. Goal is maybe if we can get to 1,000 subscribers, we'll upgrade our video production capabilities to something other than my cell phone. But if you do enjoy these videos and want me to keep making them, subscribe. That would be really helpful. So all right, thanks, and here's the Rough River video. Rough River, Kentucky. A lot of canards here. Wing light installation. Oil cooler installation.
It started to take way too much break from the screen.
Fuel cap installation. Not flush. Put the screws in that. It's interesting. Mosquito installation is really short. Don't worry about stepping on it. Interesting. You put basically covers over all the sides and everything. Wow, a Defiant. Check it out.
Because of some other reason that your CG just doesn't work out the way this.
Wow, look at this nice quickie. Oh, check out that pitot tube. It's like oil cooler installation on the top here. Interesting. And here's a Cozy 3. Now check this out. There's a Cozy on retracts. Wow, that is, I wonder if this is the Cozy Girls. Huh.
Enough.
On their photo.
Yeah, Ben's in the back seat.
Every once in a while, even for young eagles, I guess. So I gotta, someday when I'm fixing.
Well, you and I really can't sit in the back very long. I mean, I don't know about you,
see,
but
I've
I'm
got the
folded
dog
up.
leash. I got the dog leash over on this side.
Right.
Just on that hard point.
Yeah.
But it's like right here, sort of, and so to get a window, which is kind of this side.
Right, yeah, you wouldn't be able.
So
Yeah,
it's
so you-
really not.
ELT's behind that back.
And this side, there's a lot
Antennas up
going
here.
on here.
What's that?
There's a lot going on over here. I have the rotary latch.
Look at his spinner. Said his hanger buddy's got an autoclave. Built that spinner. Nice.
So that's a nice. This is aluminum.
Yeah,
I did make mine out of steel. Oops. Sorry.
Yeah. Got it. All right. Nice.
Yeah, that.
What did you put in?
That's Pacific's dual pass 9-row,
Okay.
and yeah, it works beautifully there.
Okay. Great. And you built your own carbon
Yeah, they're
Holder.
fiberglass.
fiberglass. Why is
Yeah.
it black? Because you just wanted it to
I
be
just
black.
painted it black,
Painted
so.
black. Okay. Got it.
The breathers.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to lunch, Tom. Do you want to go to lunch?
Yes. Ah, look at that oil filler checker cap. Ah, nice. Trailing edge fences. Wow.
So are these little miniature antennas up here that you made these
Yeah,
dipole?
the one right there with that one is ADS-B.
Okay.
He put vents on top of his wheel pants so that when he stops, he's got ability to shed the heat. Mike over there put some temperature probes in his pants. He says it maxes out when he's parked in the hangar after he's landed at about 140, which is pretty close to the TG of our main gear strut. So yeah, I think that's a good plan right there. Okay. All right, I'm not getting what that is. Huh. Pretty clean. This is his air filter. Started with that. So this
I
is
had a-
Olatone brush.
Well, see the back? I
Yeah,
was going to do the interior in that. That actually doesn't look too bad brushed.
right.
But I thought, damn, that's going to be too dark. And
Marble stones Olatone.
yeah. I did the floor in the front and everything in the front, and nobody could see or get sun.
Here's a fort.
Yes.
Huh.
Yep. Oh, I
I
know.
wonder what all those are.
Oh, he thinks I have no idea. It's just like,
Yeah, check out his vents there. Huh. That's how he did his oil cooler. Gotta check out the seat covers here. Aviator, navigator,
you know what I do.
plan C pilot. That's how he did on his windows.
We found out the cardiac surgeon that didn't like his.
Do it correctly. Do it.
Yeah, his window trim and his oil door. This is
Never hung out with somebody who's younger.
And he's got his fuel vent line there pointing forward.
Right there, you can ask him.
This guy put the Thunderbirds paint scheme on the bottom, which is, you know, about the only place you can put really color on a composite airplane if you're at all concerned about longevity. This guy's got the baggage pods on. Pretty clever. There's a couple inserts there, and I guess all along the bottom too of the wing. Huh. With a long, I guess it probably makes a lot of sense. There's not a lot of space in a long.
You're Tom, that's it.
Missing man will be at 4:45.
Thanks.
Be there.
How much stuff do you have mounted on the inside?
Yeah.
Pop your oil door open. Yeah. And then how do you unpop it? Oh,
On the
after
ramp.
when they
On the ramp.
stop
yeah.
on the ramp.
Right,
Yeah,
when they
stop. Got it.
Got the about 3 something.
Dynamic balance.
400.
Yeah, no. Every time I get our, we had a chapter, we have our own balancer, but it's like a big.
37.
Roll.
I'm on the Canard Owner Builder Association.
Oh, yeah, I don't even know how to get on that. Okay. I'm signed up for it, but I don't.
There's Andrews. See, I like how he's got his headrest. Yeah.
Jim's is on the canopy.
It's a Garmin 10. So his ELT's up in there. There's an interesting mod on the outboard edge.
It's a short flight. I mean, it's a short flight because, like, if I got.
We'll have as many
As possible.
So that's it from Rough River. Thanks for watching. In the future, we'll use this setup to take a look at some schematics for the Cozy and some approaches in the Super Cub using a cool tool called Fly STO. And again, that's it for now. And build on.